Leave that alone. No, it's locked. She knows. She knows you open doors. Uh-huh. You're dangerous. It's locked. What you mean, let me see? It's locked. You don't see? How many times you gonna try it? I'm not gonna open it. Wait till she gets out. Come where? It don't work. It's locked. Locked. Titi's there. What is that? No. But what is that? What's yours? What's yours? What is that? Are you trying to open the door with a key? Can I see your key? Up. That's a piece of the comb. Yeah, from the comb. It's gonna go in the garbage.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it has to go in the garbage. It's garbage.
Oh.
It's broken.
Yeah.
It's locked. You're not gonna get in. Come on.
No.
Come on, let's go.
No.
But how are you gonna get in?
In.
Yeah, how are you gonna get in?
There.
That's not a real key. It's locked. I don't think that key works. Nope. I don't think it works. It's locked. That's not a key. That is a piece of a comb that fell.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Baby.
Oh, I'm telling you, that's not a key.
Is it empty?